Hi, my name is Clive Wilkinson. I'm an architect and I designed this house for my family. The house is located in West Los Angeles on a hillside with amazing views over the city. There's so much to see and experience on this tour, so please, let's get started. As you go through the front gate, the gate itself is made of wood at an angle, and that's very, very deliberate so that you can control the view into the property. So as we go through the front door, it feels like you're still outside, and that's very intentional. And there's just really a staircase that goes up and a staircase that goes down. The stair that goes up is clad in black steel that's been custom perforated, and it clearly says this is going to lead you up to something special. When you arrive at the top of the staircase, the view just stretches out in front of you. I wanted to create a space that on the one hand felt like you were inside a barn, and it also felt like an eagle's nest, perched up above the kind of view that eagles would get over the city. So we have Douglas fir rafters, and then we wanted to take that stuff down to the floor. And in order to bring it all together, we literally sandblasted it. And that gives this place this kind of rustic character. On the east side, there's a kitchen. It needed to feel very social. It needed to be capable of having two people cooking simultaneously. It's got a marble encased island, which works as a bar for events and parties. The centerpiece of the room really is the dining table. It's the place where people congregate every day. And that table that we use, I designed it with my father. The wood that's used is ironwood, which is really the heaviest wood on earth. A detail that I'm most thrilled about in this room is the 10-foot long custom light in the center, which most importantly, it kind of disappears and it reflects the rest of the roof. So it kind of recedes into the background. This big room can get a little noisy, so we needed a quiet area, which is the library. The library is a very enclosed room. The wood kind of wraps down. It's again angular, and it feels like you're really separated from the rest of the house. We wanted to give the master some character that was different to other spaces in the house. We designed these black steel shelves, and it's amazing how that simple gesture just changes the appearance of the screen on that wall. The bathroom has its own character. There's Moroccan tiles that are in kind of a very dark grey and olive color. The mosaic tile that's used in the shower has got multiple colors in it as well. The bathtub is white on the inside, black on the outside, so one wanted something to kind of echo that in the vanity. We've kind of inlaid a basin that flashes off with the adjacent surface. In this case, they actually flush and become seamless. From the entry area, if you travel further down into the house, that's a different type of staircase. It's got beveled solid oak steps on a steel spine. As you arrive at the bottom, you are looking straight out of the pool, but if you turn around, you are coming back into the children's area. If you follow down the honeycomb hallway, you end up at the 3 children's bedrooms. From the 2 that face the pool, you really have fantastic access. You can literally just throw open the doors from the bedrooms and you're right at the pool deck. As you arrive at the deck, it's again like the top floor. It really has spectacular views. It's got an area that extends to the southeast where you can really go right to the edge, and from that point you can look down on the garden which stretches out below you, and the garden is kind of rustic and gives us a fantastic buffer from the apartment buildings below us. Everything comes together. The large concrete steps that get you to the level which has the pool. There's 2 more stories, and then on top of that is the zinc-covered glass box that just gives you this kind of binocular view of the city. Thank you for joining me on this tour. It was a great pleasure conceiving and designing this house, and really a great pleasure to share it.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?